bought this 3D printer from Creality Ender 3, and I started assembling from base, and you can see two columns are first built, then the processor which I have mounted, and after that I have kept a motor with a lead screw. Then I'm putting the horizontal bar. It has some kind of difficulties during assembly, and it has extruder, and finally I able to mount it, and I completed the assembly. Then I started printing. As you can see, the first print was one of the boat which is there in the trial. You can find in things worse, and there was a difficulty while printing. As you can see, it was going smoothly in initial phase. Also, I had some connection problems at motors, so it will give some error kind of like homing error comes. So you can see that the print got slipped from the base. Then I started another print with a simple geometry. So I printed a block having XYZ written on its faces, and fortunately it went good this time. So everything was fine except one thing. So Z written thing was not proper, but XY was very good. And you can see I remove it from the base of the printer. And to explain it, see how it looks. So it's first my 3D print from the printer, and it looks pretty fine. So it has some problem with shade. And then I started printing different project after this. So my second project was the same boat. Again I started printing, but there was an error of the print because the light went off, and when I started resuming it, it could not finish. And unfortunately the end of it was not properly finished, but the base was proper. And furthermore, I started again printing the same, and this time I was fortunate and I able to complete it till the end. As you can see, it was a very nice thing, but it took some time, like around 2 to 3 hours to do this job. But the end product was pretty amazing. And there was this problem every time when the light goes off, or if you turn off this printer suddenly, then while resuming it, and there will be problem while resuming it. So there will be shift in the plane of the print where you left. I had that problem with my previous thing where I did not finish it, but this time you can see everything was fine and the print was finished properly. And after this I again started different projects. So I prepared one soap box, a utility kind of thing for my home. So we are using it currently. It looks pretty fine. And so one thing, there will be some kind of, I think, 2 meter or 3 meter coil comes along with printer when you order it, and it will be in a white color filament. So you can use it for some trial purpose, but I purchased a white coil again, and in future I will be printing in different colors, so I ordered different color coils. So you can see pretty cool this white color boat. And my mom and dad were very happy after seeing this small object, and in future I'll look forward to produce some beautiful things with different colors, as this was my first and beautiful project. It will be a memorable thing because I tried, failed, and finally able to finish it. So one thing I think is difficult in the 3D printing is the time it takes. However, if you be patient, it will be best.